Thanks for watching. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future.
Hello you guys, and welcome back to another Vivian Tries. So you're gonna get a manual, you're gonna get an actual recipe book. This is what I'm talking about. Pictures and everything. Ooh, wow, this stuff is very well made. Wow, very well made. This is not a cheap product at all. Look at the bottom of that. It has this piece here, which they're saying this is a diffuser that attaches to this basket. And it has the little handles on the side. That's huge. It says it holds a maximum of 18 cups. So this basket always has to sit in here. This one doesn't, depending on what you're using it for. Look at the inside of that. Is that not awesome? That's how you crisp up stuff. It's locked into place. Right now, it is a pressure cooker. You turn it. Bam! There is 2 cups of water. I'm gonna place the 1 pound of carrots on the actual tray. Because we are steaming these guys, we will need the pressure lid on it. No temperature adjustment is needed. Set the time in minutes and hit start. Ooh, I can smell it now. Let me see. This thing is silent. Once it's finished cooking, if you're not ready to serve it yet, you can set it to the button that says keep warm, and it's gonna, I'm in love. When the steaming of your food is complete, unit will switch to keep warm and count up to tell you how long it's been under the keep warm mode. Ready? 1, 2, 3, go. It's open. They smell like freshly cooked carrots. Duh, what else are they gonna smell like? Perfection. It's perfect. Oh my God. The first one was easy. It was just steamed carrots. As we move on, they're gonna get a little harder and harder to please. 12 hard-boiled eggs in 4, you heard that right, 4 minutes. Half a cup of hot water, my little rack, 12 eggs. It's already on high. It's done. It's open. What? Guys, a dozen eggs in 4 minutes. Perfectly boiled eggs. Okay, I'm in love. The machine is product of the year. My little chicken is nice and tucked in here. You will need some oil, so that once it is pressure cooking and before you start the crisping process, you want to put a little bit of oil on top to help it get nice and crispy. For those of you guys wondering, this is a 4.5 pound chicken. I like all those little beeping noises because I feel a little bit more secure, even though, like I said, don't let your guard down. Always be very careful with the pressure lid. But knowing that I have the little buttons kind of warning me and telling me what I'm doing right and wrong makes me feel a little bit safer with this pressure cooker. to get it nice and crisp. Everywhere, everywhere. Oil up your chicken everywhere. Close the lid. Air crisp button set for 15 minutes. I forgot the temperature. Let's set the temperature to 400 degrees. Remember, you can open and take a peek as often as you'd like. Don't do it too much because it's gonna slow down the process, but you know what I mean. Did you guys just see what I saw? Oh my God. I'm gonna go ahead and cut into it so I can see. You guys, it's perfect. Now the last thing I want to try is this thing. It is a 4-pound pernil. For 4 pounds, cook it for an hour, 30 minutes. Get up off the floor. I know. Air crisp. Ta-da! Now to clean, I saw the instructions just said wipe this down. So it seems really easy to clean. And the basket that's in here, you can actually put in the dishwasher if you would like. So it is ready. Yes, ma'am. That is good. Okay, I love the machine. It's replacing my air fryer, my slow cooker. I'm selling my stove. Everything's out of the kitchen. Everything passed with flying colors. Just as advertised, just as promised. I'm gonna give the Ninja Foodi 5 Vivian heads. Alright you guys, so that is it for another Vivian Tries. I hope that you have enjoyed this video and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!